don't know how to say this, but I have some pretty bad news. You see, apparently they're going to shut off the water soon. Yeah, some weird leak happened, and now they have to bring someone in and shut the water off.
Tunnel.
I know, it's so weird. They literally told me so late, too. They're shutting off the water in 30 minutes.
What?
I know, just insane. But yeah, just wanted to let you know, because I know you were talking about taking a shower soon, and I needed to take my bath. And we both take really long, so I was wondering, if you wanted to take a bath together?
Let's get this mother crossed!